Want to transfer a copy of your iPhone photos to your laptop, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you a couple different methods to transfer photos from your iPhone to your laptop. Now let's get started. To transfer your iPhone photos and videos stored in iCloud to your laptop, open your preferred web browser on your computer and go to iCloud.com. Then sign in to your Apple ID account. Select Photos. Now you can select which photos and/or videos you want to download. You can click an individual image to select it, or hold down the Control key and select multiple photos. You can also hit Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select all. Once you've selected all the images you want to download to your computer, click the download icon in the top right corner. The images will be downloaded and saved to your downloads folder. If you've downloaded multiple images, they may be in a zipped file. Just double-click the file to unzip them and access all the individual files. If you aren't an iCloud user, you could take similar steps using another cloud service such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Another super easy way to transfer photos from an iPhone to your laptop is simply through email. You can attach photos or videos as email attachments and send them to yourself. Open the Mail app on your iPhone and draft a new email. Then attach the photos or videos you want to transfer. Keep in mind, some email services may have a limit on file size, so there's a chance you'll have to send multiple emails and only attach a few at a time. Once you've sent them, open the emails on your laptop and download the image attachments to save them to your computer. Saved images will appear in your Downloads folder. If you've downloaded multiple images, they may be in a zipped file. Just double-click the file to unzip them and access all the individual files. That's all it takes to transfer your photos from your iPhone to your laptop. If you're looking to transfer photos to a Mac computer, you can automatically sync your photo library. Check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.